How to use Microsoft To Do as a daily planner. Are you looking for a way to organize your study tasks and manage your time effectively? Microsoft To Do can be your go-to daily planner. Let's break down how to use it to streamline your study sessions. First, familiarize yourself with the core sections of Microsoft To Do. The My Day feature is where you will focus on tasks for today. It suggests tasks from your other lists, helping you prioritize what needs to be done. The Important section shows tasks marked with a star, making it easy to identify high-priority study tasks. The Planned section displays all tasks with due dates, so you can keep track of deadlines for assignments and exams. If you are collaborating with others, the Assigned to Me section shows tasks assigned to you, which is useful for group projects. Lastly, the Flagged Email section converts flagged emails into tasks, helping you manage study-related communications. Next, create and organize lists for different study areas or subjects. For example, you might have separate lists for mathematics, history, and research papers. This organization helps keep your workload manageable and clear. When adding tasks, include details like due dates, reminders, and notes. You can use the Steps feature to break down larger assignments into smaller tasks. For instance, if you have a research paper, you can create steps for researching, drafting, and editing. Each morning, use the My Day feature to plan your study sessions. Review the suggested tasks and add those you plan to complete. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents feeling overwhelmed by a long list. To prioritize your tasks, mark the most urgent ones with a star. This keeps them visible in the Important section, ensuring you focus on critical deadlines or exam preparations. For regular study habits, set recurring tasks. If you have daily review sessions or weekly quizzes, this feature automates reminders and helps maintain consistency in your routine. If you use Outlook or other Microsoft 365 applications, you can integrate them with Microsoft To Do. Flagged emails can automatically become tasks, and due dates can sync with your calendar. This integration streamlines your study schedule and communications. If you are working on group projects, share your task lists with classmates. You can assign tasks to team members, keeping everyone accountable and organized. Lastly, customize your experience. Change themes and add hashtags to your tasks for better visual organization and quick searching. This makes it easier to find tasks related to specific topics or deadlines. By using Microsoft To Do as your daily planner, you can effectively manage your study time and keep track of assignments. This approach helps reduce stress and improves productivity by breaking down your workload into clear, actionable steps. So, get started with Microsoft To Do today and take control of your study schedule.